Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two budget-friendly drones that promise a lot, but deliver, well, let's find out. On the left, we have the Holystone HS-440, and on the right, the LMRC-12. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, the Holystone HS-440 comes equipped with a 1080 PhD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees. Reviewers love its decent camera quality and durability, making it a favorite for capturing cinematic moments. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 also boasts a 1080 PhD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and dual camera switching. Users appreciate its good video quality for the price and find the dual cameras quite entertaining. The Holystone HS-440 gives you a sweet 20 minutes of airtime. Reviewers find this sufficient for various activities, including filming TikTok dance routines. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 offers 26 minutes of flight time, which users find impressive for its price. Those extra 6 minutes can be crucial for extended flights or fun explorations. The Holystone HS-440 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Foldable, portable, and it even comes with a carrying case. Users appreciate its high-quality case and portability. The LMRC-12 is compact and simple, designed for both kids and adults. Reviewers find it easy to set up and appreciate its compatibility with various devices. Holystone HS-440 is all about making things easy, with features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. Reviewers appreciate its ease of control and operation. The LMRC-12 also keeps it simple with headless mode, one-key start landing, and altitude hold. Users find it stable in flight and easy to use, even for beginners. Holystone HS-440 has some fun tricks up its sleeves like high-speed rotation. Reviewers find these features entertaining and fun to use. LMRC-12 lets you draw a path in your app interface, and the drone will follow it. Users enjoy this feature, comparing it to a real-life game of Snake. Now, let's talk money. The Holystone HS-440 is priced at $129. Users find it a good investment for its features and durability. The LMRC-12 is a steal at $79. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and find it a fantastic value for beginners. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS-440 to be durable, easy to use, and fun to fly, with minor issues like camera feed glitches and brushed motors wearing out over time. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and good video quality for the price, although some users report issues with the app and controls. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS-440 and the LMRC-12, both bringing their A-game to the drone arena. Whether you want Spielberg's camera, Bond's dual lenses, or just an excuse to escape from your family for 20 or 26 minutes, these drones have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Drop a comment below on which drone you're rooting for, or if you've got a drone disaster story to share. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.